Hi students, this is 8th video on integers. Today I am going to explain some working problems that are based on addition and subtraction of integers. Okay? Say a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So initially room temperature 40 degrees centigrade. After 10 hours, what is the room temperature? If 5 degrees centigrade decreasing every hour. This is the problem. Okay. So initially room temperature. Initially room temperature. It means before the process begins, room temperature. What is the temperature? 40 degrees centigrade. Okay. Speed of decreasing or rate of decreasing. Speed of decreasing. It means rate of decreasing temperature. What is that rate? 5 degrees centigrade per hour. 5 degrees centigrade per hour. Okay. After in 10 hours temperature decreases. In 10 hours temperature decreased. How much temperature decreased in 10 hours? So for every 1 hour 5 degrees. So 10 hour means 10 into 5 degrees centigrade. That is 50 degrees centigrade decreased. So room temperature after 10 hours. Room temperature after 10 hours. How much it is? Initially 40 degrees centigrade. Okay. Minus. This is 50 degrees centigrade. Decrease means we have to do subtraction. 40 minus 50. Okay. See, negative number is more. Put negative symbol. How much it is more? 10 degrees centigrade. So we are getting minus 10 degrees centigrade room temperature after 10 hours. Okay. See students, here in a class test containing 10 questions. Okay. 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer. If answer is right, 3 marks they will do. Minus 1 mark is awarded for every incorrect answer. So if you do mistake, 1 mark you will lose. And 0 mark for questions not attempted. So if you not attempted, there is no change in the marks. Okay. Now Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? Gopi's score we have to find. Say Gopi gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. So Gopi's score. Directly I am writing in shortcut. 5 correct answers. 5 into. How many marks they are giving for correct answers? 3 marks awarded. 5 into 3. That is positive mark. Okay. Now plus. How many incorrect answers? 5 incorrect answers. 5 into. Suppose incorrect answers means minus 1 mark. They are giving minus 1 mark. So how much this score is? 5 into 3. 5 3 is 15. So here you see plus into minus minus. 5 1 is 5. Okay. 15 minus 5 means 10. So Gopi score is how much? 10 marks. How much Gopi score? 10 marks. Okay. Now see. Reshma gets 7 correct and 3 incorrect answers. Now we will calculate score of Reshma. Score of Reshma. Here also in shortcut I am writing. 7 correct answers. So 7 into 3. Okay. 3 marks for every correct answers. So 7 questions are right. 7 into 3 plus 3 incorrect answers. 3 into minus 1. Okay. This is loss. 7 3 is 7 into 3 is 21. Plus into minus again minus. 3 1 is 3. So 21 minus 3. So how much she is getting? 18. So score of Reshma it is how much? Score of Reshma is 18 marks. Now in the same problem, Reshmi gets 3 correct and 4 incorrect answers. 3 and 4, only 7 questions she attempted. 3 questions she not attempted. Okay. So score of Reshmi. Score of Reshmi. Here also 3 correct. So 3 into 3. Okay. Correct answers. Plus 4 into minus 1. So this is 3 into 3 is 9 minus 1. 4 into 1 is 4. 9 minus 4, 5. So what is the score of Rashmi? Only 5 marks. Okay. In this way, here multiplication of integers. Okay, plus into minus. Again here subtraction. We'll do problems like this. In this problem, a merchant on selling rice earns a profit of 10 rupees per bag of basmati rice sold and a loss of 5 rupees per bag of non-basmati rice. Okay, so merchant is getting profit for basmati rice 10 rupees per bag, and if he sells non-basmati rice, he is getting 5 rupees loss on each bag. He sells 3000 bags of basmati and 5000 bags of non-basmati rice in a month. What is his profit or loss in a month? See how to calculate this? So profit on each basmati rice bag. Answer. Profit on selling each basmati rice bag. How much he is getting means 10 rupees per each bag. Okay. Number of bags basmati rice. Number of bags basmati rice sold in that month. So how much is sold in that month? 3000 bags. Okay, 3000 bags. Like this, loss on selling each non-basmati rice bag. How much loss is getting? Say 5 rupees loss. Okay, like this, number of non-basmati rice bags. Non-basmati rice bags is sold in that month. How many bags non-basmati rice means? 5000 bags. Okay, 5000 bags. Now we will see the calculation. So amount collected, amount he gets in that month. How much money is getting? Equal to, say, 3000 bags profit. So 3000 into 10. This is profit amount. Okay. Now plus this 5000 into loss. Loss means minus term I am writing. Okay. Negative time. Say 3000 into 10, it is 30,000 rupees. And here it is minus 5 into 5, 25,000. So 30,000 minus 25,000, it is how much? 5,000. Positive side value is there here. Okay. Rupees is also positive. So amount is positive. Amount is positive. Positive means it is profit. So merchant, he gets profit in that month. How much profit he gets? 5,000. See, first I will explain once again. Profit on selling each basmati rice 10 rupees. Like that he sold totally 3000 bags. Okay, this is profit amount. Loss on selling each non-basmati rice 5 rupees. In that way he sold 5000 bags. So total calculation, 3000 into 10, that is positive value. 5000 into 5, it is negative value, means loss. So 3000 into 10, that is 30,000. 5000 into 5, that is 25,000. Okay. So profit is 3000, 30,000, loss is 25,000. Here we are getting difference 5,000. This is positive value, means profit. So he is getting profit in that particular month 5,000 rupees. Okay. And now with a simple problem we will finish this video. Say a stationery shopkeeper earns a profit of 2 rupees by selling a pen and incurs a loss of 3 rupees by selling a notebook. If he sold 25 pens and 15 notebooks on a day, what would be his net profit or loss on that day? So, a shopkeeper, he earns 2 rupees profit on selling a pen, 3 rupees loss on selling a notebook. Okay? So, we'll write that. So, profit on selling each selling a pen. Okay? Profit on selling each pen. How much he is getting? 2 rupees. Okay? Number of pens is sold. On that particular day, how many pens? 25 pens. Okay? Next, similarly, loss. Loss on selling each notebook. How much loss is getting? 3 rupees. Okay? 3 rupees loss. Like that, number of notebooks. Number of notebooks is sold. How many notebooks is sold? 15 notebooks. Okay? Now, amount or business. So, amount transaction on that day. We will verify whether it is positive value or negative value. Say 25 pence with 2 rupees profit. 25 into 2, this is positive value profit, plus 15 notebooks. This will be with loss. So I am writing minus 3. Loss means. Okay. 25 into 2. Amount is 50. That is profit. 15 3 ja 45. It is 45 loss. So how much you are getting here difference? 5 rupees. This 5 rupees, it is positive value. So 50 rupees profit, 45 rupees loss on that particular day. So overall is getting 5 rupees profit. We will write that sentence. So stationery shopkeeper. Shopkeeper gets net 5 rupees profit on that day. Okay? On that day. Like that, simple problems we can solve on integers. Right? Today I am finishing integers. If you like my videos, please share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.